Today we have with us Mr. Naveen Gupta from Krishna Agencies, Patna. And today we would like to talk about the IT industry and the market scenario in Patna. So, Mr. Naveen, please tell us about the current market situation there in Patna.
The current market situation of IT is sometimes it was very good till last year, but this year there was some problem we faced due to the online.
Okay.
And so many brands also they promised us we will be at par with the offline or online. But suddenly before the Deepavali in a festival, which is the best season, that time the heavy discounts were gone in online actually. And that's why the market scenario which we were expecting has gone down to approximately 60% in festival time. And there is a huge loss to all the dealers also. I don't know what will going to be happen in next years and after 5-6 years, because the way the online is coming. So now our main competitors are online rather than the dealers to dealers. So we have to look, and I think the War India can take this lead how they can help us. Our association FATA is also fighting with the dealer. Being a secretary of the FATA also, we are also fighting with the brands also. The IT industry sometime in 22 when the COVID was there, it suddenly rises very high due to the online. And those who don't wanted the laptops in houses, they had to buy 2-3 laptops at a time. And that time it was an overbuying as per our thing. And suddenly after the online, the market was down. And brands still think that they want to maintain the same pace of the sale as it was happening in the COVID time. So that also created a problem with the brands because the market is not increasing as per the requirement. But brands need the same sale which they had in the COVID time.
So sir, in spite of all these challenges, आपकी Krishna Agencies में how it survived and what has been your success mantra?
See, Krishna Agencies, we started IT business in 1980. It's 44 years old and our organization is 60 years old in a business. So we are not only in IT, but we are in different time, not only in laptop and desktops, but we are the complete solutions of the thing we are selling. We are the distributors also for so many brands for IT. We are the MSA for Dell. Then there are a lot of other products. We are distributor for 12-13 companies in Bihar, and we are catering to 400 dealers, the entire products portfolio. And the other firm is our Krishna Consultancy Services, where we are providing all the government institutions, direct selling to government and working on a higher level on a GEM also. So that's why we are surviving to supplying to all government department lot of products. So this is the way we are surviving. But of course we are saying the retail industry is going slow by slow. Its surviving future is really tough. Because if you say all the major brands like Reliance or Croma, they are also opening their showroom in small towns now. Started that.
So sir, does that mean that the retailers who started with retailing, they should evolve into either value-added retailing or value-added distributors or bring in more or enhance their product offerings?
See, that brands has to think what they want. Whether they want to improve their retailers, because the retailers are the custodian of the brand. If the retailers wants to say that this brand is very good, customer think that he is saying something because he says you will get service and he will provide all types of after sales also. But nowadays brands are not thinking about that because they are the person who are demonstrating the product. They are the person who was famousing the brand by putting their boards and everything. They are the brands they are the dealers who are putting money to the manpower as well as rent, electricity, everything. So unless their income will come, they will not survive. But a retailer who is expert only in the retailing, it's very difficult to go and sell in the market, to go in a government department suddenly. So that also create unnecessary expenses to them. So an IT industry is either laptop, desktop and accessories, what you will sell. Software solutions or nowadays the one thing is coming which is the cyber security. So cyber security you have to sell. That's right, portfolio is increasing. But the main sale and the main volume comes from the laptop and desktop. That is the main thing. So that everybody has to think for that.
Okay. So the last thing I would like to ask you is, you have associated with VAR India, and how do you see this event evolving?
You see, I am very much associated, and I think I am associated with the last 15-20 years with Deepak Sahu also, VAR India also. I am very familiar to them. And every year we saw that the VAR India, the type of the event they are doing, we learn something because what the IT industries and how the IT industries is going in the future, we come to know here. And so many OEMs also to whom we meet. And we get the benefit in our business also. Sometimes we get the partnership also in a business in the VAR India also, because the top peoples are coming here and all India from the dealer network is there. So we are having a good network with the OEM also and the dealer also. And really, the VAR India and the VAR people, what says the VAR, we are the VAR actually. So we enjoy this meeting and every year we see. And I don't think that I have missed any meeting from the last 15 years.
I really wish Krishna Agencies and all other dealers who are attending this year VAR India Seminar that they have a very fruitful and a very informative and a learning experience.
So kind of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.